am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot.
For liberty and justice, I must solve this complex conundrum. First, I take one book and find the page number, 202. Next, another book, page number 296. Now I must see how many pages in total. 6 plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now I need to find the difference. $296 minus 202. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. And now I have found 2 answers. On to more books.
I am Hulk. I will pick 2 cards and see if the factors match the product. 9 is the product. 4 times 6? That is not 9. 3 times 8 is not 9. 2 times 12 is not 9. Hulk smash! Oh, I have to try again. 30. 4 times 5 is not 30. Oh! Okay. 5 times 6 is 30. Where did I put it? 30. They match. So now I write down the equations. 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. I am done with these cards and smash them aside.
Black Panther science research. I pick an informational text. Check. I fill out an informational text response sheet. Name, Black Panther. Date, title, crocodile versus wildebeest. What I expect to read about. I expect to read about facts, comparing and contrasting crocodiles and wildebeests. What I already know or think I know about the topic. I know a lot about crocodiles, but I know very little about wildebeests, so I hope to learn more. There's lots of information on here, including text feature scavenger hunt. Every time you find something, like, ooh, this is a caption, so picture captions, check. You fill out author's purpose, vocabulary. I'll fill out the entire sheet. Got it? Wakanda forever.
I must connect back to the Rainbow Bridge, the Bifrost, to get back to Valhalla. Let's create some factors to make this bridge. First, a number greater than 30, 42. But I must find factors, and I know factors multiply to get this. How do I use this infernal contraption? Maybe I'll put in 42 and divide by 2. Oh, it works. So I'll put down 2 and 21. Let's try it again. Let's go up to 3. 42 divided by 3. 14. That works too. I will mark that down as well. And I will go up. 42 divided by 4. Does not work. That is not a whole number. 42 divided by 5. That does not work. Let's try again. 42 divided by 6. Ooh, 6 and 7. And I can stop because there's no numbers between 6 and 7. I have connected the Bifrost Rainbow Bridge.
I'm just your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, and I have to make this food web, so I got this book from school, and I read it, and I found out that polar bears are a top predator, so I'm going to put that at the top of my food web. Polar bears. And then I also learned that polar bears, they eat seals. Can you believe it? Seals. So I'm going to write seal, and I'm going to draw an arrow to the polar bear because the energy from the seal is going into the polar bear. And they also eat fish. So I'm going to make an arrow from fish to polar bears. But you know what? Seals eat fish too. So the fish have to go an arrow to the seal. And fish, they eat algae. So I wrote algae, and I have to point to the fish because the energy from the algae goes there. And algae is a plant. And all plants get their energy from the sun. So I need to write sun with an arrow to the algae. And look at, I'm gonna get fancy and I'm gonna make sunshine. So that's it. My food web is done.
Oh, gotta get back to work. Star-Lord's number of the day. So we got our number, 3,216. I've already started. Got word form, got expanded form. Now is that odd or even? Oh, 6 in the one place, even. Boom. Number 4. Add 99 to today's number. 3,216 plus 99. 9 plus 6 is 15. Regroup the 10, 10, 10, 90. That is 11, or 110. Regroup the 100, 300, 3,000. Boom.
Wolverine's comparison. Use a double bubble to compare and contrast two numbers. Two numbers. Make sure you have 9 different detail bubbles. 12, 9. Odd number, even number. Even, odd. 12 is a multiple of 3. So is 9. Multiples of 3. 9 is a square number, but not 12. Square number. Not square. Remember, you need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 4 more.
Iron Man's technology practice facts on extra math. So I'm gonna go to extramath.org and I'm gonna sign in. You need to know your teacher's email. So I am in Mrs. Petroni's class. My first name, Iron Man. Make sure you spell it right. I have a 4-digit PIN number that Mrs. Petroni gave me. My number is 1122. And then I sign in. This guy's gonna talk to me and he's gonna explain to me what I'm doing and how to do it. And then I'll say continue. First, you have to take a placement quiz so we can see what you know. 1, because I'm awesome. 3, 9, 6, oh no. 5, 3, 5, 18, 10, boom, and you keep going until it tells you you're done.
Vocabulary practice. Create a poster for a word from the word wall. Product. I'll write that right in the middle. Purple, my favorite color. Let's write the definition. The answer to a multiplication problem. Let's show some products. And maybe a model. One, two, three, 4, 5. 18, all in total. Boom.